Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry I didn't post for a long time, but I was really busy, so sorry about that. But hey, I'm back with another awesome program. So here this is. This basically opens up a web page. So if I run it, let's see, should open up. See, it opens up google.com, which is so awesome. And all I need is 3 lines of code, 3 simple lines of code. And yes, you do have to install 2 separate packages, HTTP and web browser. But besides that, you only need 1 other line of code. And you can also change this web address. So for example, you want like yahoo.com instead of Google, because you're weird and you use Yahoo instead of Google. So let's run it. And see, it opens up Yahoo, and it's just so awesome because it's only 3 lines. But yeah, that's it for today. I don't know when I'll post again, but maybe this week. See you next time.